The Cayenne is incredibly sensitive to voltage. It has a battery sensor to warn you of beginning problems with your battery. If this sensor starts to fail, replace it immediately. You will need to access the battery. While people claim that you can replace the sensor without removing the battery, I didn't even try. It's a tight fit in there. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with battery replacement. This sensor is built into the ground or negative cable for the battery. It connects to the negative post, red arrow, and runs through the battery tray housing and grounds to the chassis, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and loosen the ground cable and remove it from the post, blue arrow. The electrical connection on the end of the cable is for the sensor. Press down on the tab and separate the connection. The tab can be brittle and is part of the wiring harness. Use care when you separate the connection, red arrow. Use a 13mm socket on an extension and remove the ground connection, red arrow. Then push the cable in towards the battery tray, blue arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to get a good seal on the grommet, indicated by the red arrow. You do not want this cable rubbing against the battery box. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.